All right, guys, we're on a 2010 Mercedes E350. We'll go down here. You see we got two different choices, C207 and 212. The 212 is going to be a four-door, which we're in, so we're going to go ahead and select that. As you can see, this is a push-button start. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this, just like the Mopar keyless to go. So that can go in here. You can stick this in and turn it just like a Phobic. So, all right, let's go ahead and go through to do a spare. We're going to connect. Ignition's off. Okay, there's all of our information right there. We're going to do add key. We're going to do it by OBD. We're going to need this most likely. Okay, there's all of our key information. Key 1 and key 2 are used, and you can see key 8 is used. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 we can use. We're going to hit OK. And we'll go ahead and let's pick 7. Why not? Okay. We are connected to the internet. Hit OK. Hit OK. No. Do you have working key? Yes. Okay, we're going to insert the working key into the EIS slot. It is on. You probably don't need to turn it on, but we'll be back once all this goes through. All right, that took just over 2 minutes, so we're going to remove it. We're going to hit OK. We're going to put this back in the EIS slot. Hit OK. As you can see, it's start installed. So we're going to hit no. Okay. Stick it in, hit OK. Okay, we're going to see if we can start it. It's running. We're good. We're going to leave it, so we're going to hit yes. Okay, we removed it. Our password calculation is complete. Hit OK. There's our info. Take our blank key. We're going to stick it in here. And we're going to hit yes. Okay. You hear everything turn on. Let's pull it out. See, our remote function is working. Okay. Oops. Oh, it's initializing. And there it is, spare phobic to a 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350, brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.